Let me take you through Parc Guell, one of the most famous attractions in Barcelona, built by Antoni Gaudi. It's a 7-minute walk from the bus stop, and between the Serpentine Bench, the Hypostyle hall, the dragon stairway, and the iconic gingerbread houses, there's lots to see. And Serpentine Bench, a 110-meter length mosaic snake bench, is said to be the longest corrugated bench in the world. It's created using the Trent Candice method, an old upcycling technique. And from there, you get a gorgeous view of the city. After that, we get to the Hypostyle hall, which has columns that resemble tree trunks and are inspired by the classic Greek temples. Fun fact, the columns also function as drainage pipes, allowing rainwater to flow through them into an underground cistern. And here is where we meet the famous Drac. And notice how everything here in Parc Guell is referential to nature, particularly to reptiles, a repeated motif in the Gaudiverse. And now we get to the two houses, Casa del Guarda, or the porter's house, and the admin house. I know, pretty anticlimactic, right? The interiors were surprisingly humble, designed strictly for functionality. Whereas inside the admin house, you can find a pop-up shop and buy all your Parc Guell souvenirs. That's it for the video today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ciao!